Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve part 3rd of question number 4. Again, first of all you have to make the pair of linear equation and after that you have to solve them. So in this question it says that yes scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks being deducted from each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the question? You have to find how many questions were there in the test. Obviously, Yash have marked some question as right and some questions as wrong. So suppose let the right answers he scored is X and wrong answers he scored is Y, and the total number of questions he attempted is X plus Y. And according to the first case, it is given that he would have scored 40 marks if 3 marks is awarded for each right answer. If he has marked X question as right, so obviously the total marks he should get is 3x. And after that, 1 marks is reduced when he has marked them wrong. And if the number of wrong answer is Y, so the number reduced should be Y, and the total marks which he got is equals to 40. So this is our first equation. Similarly, in second case it is given that in this case the marks given for each right answer is equals to 4, and if the total number of right answers is equals to X, so the total number, or you can say the total marks he should get is 4x, and after that you have to reduce the negative. In this case 2 marks has been reduced for each incorrect answer. If Yash has marked Y question as incorrect, so the total number which should be reduced is 2y, and in this case the total number he scored is equals to 50. So this is our second equation. Now you have to solve this, and the best way to solve these equations is by equating the coefficients. And in this case we can equate the coefficient of y, and if we are able to make the coefficient of this equation as 2, so these two equations will be the coefficient of these two variables will be equal. For that, multiply this equation by 2. So our equation will become 2. For that you have to multiply 2 with whole equation. So our first equation will become 6x minus 2y is equals to 80, and our second equation is 4x minus 2y is equals to 50. Now you can subtract these two equations. For that you have to change the sign. So plus minus is minus, 6 minus 4 is 2x. This plus minus can be cancelled out, and 80 minus 50 is 30. So the value of x must be equals to 30 by 2, which is equals to 15. So in this case the number of right answer which he marked is equals to 15. And if you want to find the value of y, substitute this value in any of the equation. Let's say I am substituting the value of x in first equation. So this is 3 into 15 minus y is equals to 40. So 15 into 3 is 45 minus y equals to 40. You can shift this variable to that side and this constant to this side. This plus will become minus, and this minus when shifted to that side will become plus. So 45 minus 40 is 5. So the number of wrong answer marked in this case is 5. So the total number of questions for this test must be equals to 20 questions. So this is how we can solve this question. Thank you.